Mark with Motoring Motivations. Basically, we're doing another mod on Enchantress Christie's 2012 Mini Cooper JCW Coupe. So today we're going to be doing sort of the blackout with the handles, door handles. This is chrome. It's basically, so this is like a on the driver's side where it's chrome. So what we've done is we've got these plastic handle covers. We've kind of prepped them to install. Now, you can get these from several locations, but we found that the best ones, the ones that last the longest and that's a little thicker plastic and it's more durable, is from WayMotorWorks. We've tried a couple from eBay, some from some other vendors, and we found that they were thin and they don't hold up as well. But the ones that from WayMotorWorks sells, they tend to be a little better quality, and that they're a little thicker and they last longer and they don't come off, that sort of thing. But so it's basically you pull off these red things, covers that are on the double-sided inside of the handles. Peeled back a little bit around that so that it will fit without the plastic getting caught up in the install. You take alcohol that comes with the kit, and then you wipe it down, and then there's a little dry cloth. You just go over it, which I've already done, and you just install this. It just fits on. Once it's on, you just kind of press it down on both sides, the bottom and top, and just peel this off. So now you have a whole different look. So what we've done is we've done a belt line blackout, various blackouts on most of the chrome, except for the logos that said John Cooper Works. The only part is you can paint this if you wanted to. Usually you'll do it if you wanted to prior to the install of the handle. You'd mask it off and that sort of thing. But it creates a nice look. So I showed you sort of what it looked like before. This is kind of an after. We've done both sides. Creates a neat look. So they also have them available in different colors now. I believe even Mini has them for like in chili red, yellow, blues, for whatever strikes your fancy. Or you can just leave it chrome if you like. But for us, we like the blackout. It makes the color of the car stand out a little more instead of competing with bright colors and such. But that's the update. Thanks.